For today's video, we're going to be repairing and painting a 2019 Lexus ES350 F Sport. We have a dent here on the left quarter panel that we're going to be repairing. So buckle up your seatbelt. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Before we start on any repairs, we scan the vehicle for any deployment or any codes. As you can see here, the technician is repairing the panel with different tools and different techniques to achieve the original body lines. Next, the technician will apply the body filler to the panel to achieve its original form and shape. Keep in mind that using body filler should be at 1.5 millimeter thickness or less, with an acceptable of 3 millimeter max. After the body repairs, the technician will send the vehicle to our prep department to be prepared for painting. Here we have the painter carefully and neatly masking the vehicle to get it prepared for paint. He cuts the bag very precisely to the areas that he will be painting. Right before he paints the vehicle, he needs to clean the panels very carefully with wax and grease remover using surface prep wipes. Here the painter starts applying the base coat to the repair areas on the panels. Very important to know that base coat does not get applied to the entire panel. He cleans the panel once again before he applies the clear coat. Finally, the painter applies clear coat to the entire panel. Make sure to go 2 to 3 coats as necessary. And just like that, we are completed. Nice and shiny. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and follow us for more videos like this to come. If you are in the Stockton, California area and would like to get auto body collision services done, please contact us by visiting our website at AngkorAutobody.com or by calling us at 209-463-0941. Thank you for watching our video and have a great day. See you next time.